How to change a spending limit for Instagram ads. So, hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how you can do it. So, let's just get started. First of all, you can just head over to your Instagram app and open up the application onto your particular device. Now, once you open it up, you may just go ahead and log in into your account, and you should be finding the home interface with all of the latest updates and everything. So the thing is, you need to head over to your profile once you reach over to your home page. So locate up your profile, which is usually located in the bottom right corner, and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you need to have a professional account, which is your business professional account. So just go ahead and locate up your profile here, and you need to have this professional dashboard here. So from here, what you can do is you can locate up the 3,000 lines at the top right corner and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will be getting the settings and activity. From here, you may just scroll down and look out for the section of for professionals, where you will be finding option of business tools and controls. So you may look at this option called business tools and controls and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will be finding this section right here with different options available. So you may look out for this option of add payments from this business section right here and tap on it. And once you tap on add payments, here you will be taken to billing and payments option right here. You may just go ahead and tap on it and then expand it. And when you head over here, you should be finding different options like your account, your current balance, and your payment methods. Including that, under payment methods, you can easily find an option of account spending limit. You can just go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will be getting option of setting it up. Right now I don't have it, so you need to have an iOS app in order to do that, to manage your payment methods. You can just go ahead and look out for that option and set it up like how much you prefer, and then you may just go ahead and do that. And after that is done, your spending limit should be set for your particular Instagram application. So this is it. You may follow this method in order to set up a payment method for your Instagram account as well. So that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be giving more, and we will be seeing you in another video.